a little game using this small little board which has 8 LEDs, 8 7 segments and some buttons, and the main chip is a TM-1638. The game is quite straightforward. 8 numbers or digits appear on the display, and you have to press the button corresponding to the biggest one. So let's get it started. So you need to find 5 of them. And so let's see, so in this case it's 8, so I press the third button, then the number changes. So if I press the wrong button, it doesn't go anywhere. If I press the correct button, it changes. I then have to find the next biggest, which is 6. The next one is 7, and again if I press the wrong button, it doesn't change. A 7, and then it gives you how long it took you to do it in hundredths of seconds. So it took 20.58 seconds for me to find them all. And this is going to be one of the workshops at the next Egham Jam on the 26th of January. So yeah, so the kids will be making this themselves. Set it up so you can make it as big or as small as you want, change the number of times that you want to check for the buttons. But yeah, that's what is going to be happening. Code, little display. Thank you.